Hello, first graders. Today we're going to talk about our champion expectations. You should be quiet. If you need help, go to your teacher's office hours. You need to listen and learn. You're going to be in your own area and you're going to be working on your own. And when we do that, we will all learn. Our question today, our wonder is, what is fall? There are 4 seasons. Here you see 4 seasons, same scene in different seasons. Here you have spring, summer, fall, and winter. And if you guessed that this one was fall, you were correct. That is the season we're going to be talking about today. There are different kinds of trees. There's evergreen trees and deciduous trees. Now the evergreen trees stay green all year. Deciduous trees, well, the leaves fall from deciduous trees in fall. And those are the deciduous trees right there. Weather gets colder in fall. You might see frost on things. You might find yourself needing a jacket or a sweater. You've probably noticed the temperature is not as warm as it was in the summer. The days are also getting shorter. The days are really short in winter and longer in summer. And in the fall, that marks a time where the days start really getting shorter. Right here's it's called the autumnal equinox, and that's when the days are equal to when they are in March. And it's a sign that they're getting shorter. Animals get ready for winter too. You might see birds migrating. Did you know monarchs and whales migrate too? You might see animals' fur changing. You see the squirrel has gone from its summer coat to its winter coat, which is a little bit thicker. You might see a nest. The squirrels are building a nest to stay warm in winter. And over here, bears, believe it or not, they eat a lot. This was the same bear in July, and then the bear again in September. They eat a lot because they're going to be hibernating. Fall is also the time we harvest. It's the time that plants have grown to their full maturity, and we are picking things like pumpkins. And in here you see a field of wheat where they've harvested them and saved that wheat all winter. And this is a big tractor that harvests the wheat. That happens in fall. So once again, proof it is fall. The leaves change. It gets colder, the days get shorter, animals get ready for winter, and it's a harvest time where we harvest the plants that we've been growing all summer. And that is proof that it is fall.
Here, and I've got my dog Ollie here at the park, and we're going to be looking for signs of fall. We're going to look all around and see if we can find proof that it is the fall season. Join me on our adventure. Just a little ways into the park, and I have found 2 things that prove that it is autumn or fall. First, look at this tree behind me. Look at those leaves. Look down on the ground. The leaves are falling from the trees. That is one proof that it is fall. It is also warm enough that I could wear a sweatshirt. It's getting colder out. That's another sign of fall. Let's see if we can find some more. First graders, I think I found another sign of fall. Not only is it getting colder and the leaves are changing, but even though we don't have a harvest in my park, we have seeds that are spreading this time of year to show that this is the end of their life and they're going to spread seeds. This is like a harvest of a milkweed. See these seeds? Milkweed seeds spread in the fall. Okay, first graders, I've been seeing a lot of signs of fall here. But I also noticed, see down here, these ducks, they're still here. They haven't left. I learned that ducks migrate and fly south in the fall. Is it possible to still have fall and still have the ducks here? Hey, first graders, still looking for proof that it's fall. And I noticed that it's getting colder. I noticed the leaves are falling. I noticed the milkweed pods are spreading seeds, and that's a sign of fall. The ducks are still here. They haven't migrated, but there are a lot of signs that prove that it's fall. Even though the ducks are still here, I think that we have proven that it is fall. Hey, first graders, we've been on this wild adventure looking for proof of fall. And even though the ducks are still here, I think there's an overabundance of proof of fall. The leaves are changing. It's getting colder. And I saw those milkweed pod seeds. The ducks are still here, so maybe it's not super late in fall. Anyway, get outside now and you go find proof of fall. and record it here on the link on Seesaw, in your Seesaw journal. Get out there and find proof of fall.